cat
and a lizard,
and welcome back to our channel.
A few months ago, a friend of ours asked us to give her old pair of boots a new life, and we accepted the challenge.
So in this video, we're gonna turn an old pair of thigh-high leather boots into the starry night sky. Yeah, we know winter's over, but it's quarantine time, so why don't y'all grab an old pair of boots and join us in giving them a brand new look and wear them in the next winter.
That is if we survive this.
Yeah.
For this project, we're going to use this old pair of thigh-high boots. As you can see, they're still wearable, but it's just the leather that's a little torn. We'll need some black velvet cloth, silver rhinestones in 2 different sizes, E6000 glue, a pair of scissors, a seam ripper, a little piece of chalk, these pearl head pins, tweezers, and a toothpick. Oh, we'll also need some old newspaper and a sewing machine, or needle and thread. Let's begin! First, we're going to remove these bows from the back of the boots using our seam ripper. Then we'll disassemble them and cover them up with the velvet cloth. And now we're going to lay our boot on an old newspaper and trace the outlines. For this leg part of the boot, we traced the exact measurements on the newspaper, but for the foot part, we traced at least an inch away from the outline of the foot. Then we will cut it out. Now we will fold our cloth like this, making sure it's inside out, and trace the newspaper boot on the cloth using a chalk. We'll cut out the shape, and this is what it looks like when we open it up. Now we'll pin it up and pretend it's a sock, measure it on our boot to be sure, and sew it up from the sides. Ta-da! Our boot sock is done! Now we'll make the boot wear the sock and start gluing it from the bottom. We're using a matchstick to spread the glue because it's easier for us. And for the entrance of the boot, we're also going to hand sew the material to secure it well. We will leave it to dry overnight, and here comes the best part. We're going to use a toothpick to apply small random dots of glue on the boot and apply the rhinestones one by one. The goal here is to make the boots look like a clear night sky. And after 1.5 million years, we are done creating our starry night boots. All we gotta do now is glue the new bows on the back, fasten them with tape, and leave it to dry overnight. Here's the final look!
And that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Do let us know what you think in the comments, and if you tried yourself, don't forget to tag us on Instagram.
You can also check out our other DIY projects up here. We also do song covers. Do check them out up here.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel up here. Lots of love
And smiles.
and sparkle.
See you next time. Bye!